Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with a brand new hair tutorial. In today's video, we'll be doing a style that was actually sent to me on Instagram of Tamera. It's a style that she actually wore on the reel, but I don't watch the show. I was only going off of this photo that was sent, and I can't exactly tell if she was wearing braids or if she was wearing twist. But I kind of tried to look at the ponytail part, and it kind of looked like maybe it was a twist. I'm really not sure. I hope it is a twist. Otherwise, I'll be showing you guys a tutorial for a style that isn't this exactly. But yeah, if you guys would like to see how that goes, then continue watching.
Guys, if you're not subscribed, make sure that you subscribe and click that notification bell twice so that you can be notified anytime that I post videos.
My hair is back in a ponytail right now. I used my Mixed Chicks. I'm gonna put a towel around. I used my Mixed Chicks Coil Kink and Curl Styling Cream. I also have my Marley Braiding hair. Off to the side, I have 15 pieces, well, 15 little strands of this that I'll be adding. I'm not really sure if I'll need 15 exactly, but I just pulled 15 from the bag, so hopefully that's enough. Well, I'm sure it'll be more than enough. Like I said, I only saw 2 photos of it, and I never saw it from behind. So I'm honestly not sure how it is from the back, how it looks from the back. So I'm actually guessing. I'm guessing right now. I'm gonna start with this part here that I've already made, and I'm just gonna take that on to the back.
Okay guys, so once we get that part straight, we're going to detangle this section because we have to prepare this section to be twisted, and we want to make sure all those tangles are out, okay?
So I'm just going to grab some of this Mixed Chicks. I'm going to rub some of that down this area here. I'm going to separate the hair into 2 sections just like this. And I'm going to try to add a piece of the Marley hair and see exactly how that goes. I've never actually done this, not this way. And I'm going to start that just as I would a Senegalese twist. So therefore I will take the right side and I'm going to twist that around just like that. I'm going to grab the left side and I'm going to twist that around to the left until I get to the root area, okay? So it looks like this now. And I'm going to start twisting. So guys, I've never done this before, like I said. This is our first time. I'm going to add hair. Continue twisting. And continue twisting those 2 pieces as well. Well, spinning them within my fingers. The angle is, oh my gosh, this angle is horrible. I'm so sorry. You guys can't see what's going on.
Okay guys, I'm sure this was very confusing to watch, as it was very confusing for me trying to do it. But yeah, I decided to just skim past this part because it's pretty hard. I struggled quite a bit, and I was positive I could teach you guys this style without the struggle. So I'm still going to show you guys this part because I want you to see how the results were for this technique. And there are multiple videos on YouTube that will teach you how to use the Marley braiding hair if you would like to accomplish that flat twist look. However, I decided to twist my own natural hair and then eventually begin to add in the Marley hair. That was what I ended up doing because it was a neater look for me. Okay, so yeah, continue watching, enjoy the video. Now we're going to start on this section. I'm going to start by detangling.
Okay, I'm going to start here and begin twisting my hair. You guys, I'm just flat twisting it, okay? Don't overthink it. Okay. I might actually like that. Looks more natural, if you know what I mean. So now I'm going to grab some of that Marley hair. Okay, I'm going to take one string of the Marley braiding hair. Still going to place that underneath that finger, and I'm going to go ahead and twist it around the strand of hair that I'm adding it to, and twist the other as well. And I'm going to do twist and another twist. I did 3. I'm going to add those other 2 strands. You see how I did that? Now I'm going to twist that around itself just like that. I'm going to twist the other around itself just like that. I'm going to intertwine them just like that. So this is how, we'll add the hair. Then I have to, of course, put the 2 together. But what I want to do is I want to go over to this side here, and I want to take this out. Do you guys prefer this side, or do you prefer this side? I actually prefer this side because I think it looks more natural, but it just depends on what look you're going for. I showed you both ways pretty much. You're able to complete it if you would like to add the Marley hair to the twist, or if you like to add it to the twist when you get to the end, okay? So I'm going to stick to the natural look and just adding it to the ends because that works best for me, and my hands hurt so bad. Oh. I'm gonna twist this section. And guys, it's up to you. If you would like to start adding the Marley hair as early as this, you can. Do that as well. I'm gonna add my first piece now. Gonna grab another section. Oops.
Guys, I can't tell you why I was referring to the Marley hair sections. I don't know.
Ooh. Okay, gonna take this section. I just laid it up there, okay? Twist, twist. We're right twisting it while holding it in our hand. Gonna grab the left one, and I'm going to right twist that as well. If you paid attention to my fingers, then you saw that it's just less stress on your fingers because you're not holding it and trying to twist it at the same time. If you kind of cross them over, I don't know. I can't really describe it to you guys. Okay guys, so now that I have that twist complete, I'm gonna pull it over to this side, undo this twist. So guys, now that it's time to intertwine those two ponytails, I'm gonna grab some more hair. And I'm going to start twisting this one side here, just like that. I'm going to twist that other side, just like that. And then I'm going to wrap it around, okay? This is the way that I do my Senegalese twist, okay? Twisting this section around, twisting that section around, and then I wrap it. Twisting this section around, 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 then I wrap it. And twisting that section around, then I wrap it. You guys see exactly what I'm doing now? So now I'm going to add some rubber bands to the end of that to hold it in place. Hopefully it will stay. I did mine like this, and I'm going to add another rubber band to that to avoid cutting my Marley hair. So it looks like this. Now I'm going to grab some of these little gold pieces right here and accessorize.
Guys, this is the fun part. Customize it to your liking, add rings, different color strings, whatever. Just make it cute and make it you.
And now I'm going to grab this wire and we're going to start by adding the wire here. I'm going to kind of stick the wire inside of the beginning of my twist. I just kind of stuck it in the hair, you know. Just start wrapping it around freely. You kind of had, Tamera kind of had hers like in a wave. So almost like in the same direction that the twist went.
You just made me trip, fall and land on your lap. Something bad boy smooth, body harder than a summer. I don't mean to be rude, but I look so damn good. Oh yeah, ain't got time.
And this is our hairstyle. So guys, how did I do? Struggled a bit, definitely. Okay guys, here we go. I feel so weird because I have these silver earrings. Silver earrings with gold hair accessories, but we're about to end this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to give you guys a full rotation of the styles so you can see exactly what I'm working with. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Follow me on Instagram at ChanningLily. Bye y'all.